Hey guys, must be 2 for Tuesday. I'm bringing you another LokiThor. They sent me 2 battery chargers. This one is the ultra compact JC400. This is another one of their brand new units that they sent me to check out. 2500 amps, USB-C, 5 volt, 3 amp power bank. This one's very simple. It doesn't have all those other features like that the one has. This one is 2500 amp, 8.5 liter gas, supposedly 6.5 diesel. Connect Max Tech. It's got force start. I think all of these should have force start on it. That is something that is super important for me personally, because I constantly am having bikes in here with completely flat batteries. Shockproof, reverse polarity protection, all of those. You know, every jump starter out there nowadays has that kind of feature. Here's a quick summary of all the stuff that it has. It's got all this safety stuff in it. Again, it should have safety stuff in it. The LED light, it's a 300 lumen light, 6 modes. It's got the blink, the SOS, the strobe features. You guys are very familiar with all that. But let's have a look at the charger itself. The bike here that we'll be starting today, which you've seen this bike before, because I'm actually making it on the same day that I made the video for the one jump starter. And here's the brick right here. You can see it's about the size of my palm. Nice and small. This one is absolutely small enough. See, guys, it has a compass. How many of these have a compass in them? Let's see, does it work right? And I don't know. Not sure I would really rely on that compass. But guys, it has a compass. They're like, gosh, this side looks a little plain. You know what we should put in here? We should put a compass. Because who doesn't need a compass on their jump starter? You know, this one's going to get a win just for the compass. Alright, let's check out the cables, see if they're any good. Okay. We got the jump cables here. Very thin wires in comparison to the one, but it's going to be adequate for jump starting a motorcycle. In my case, probably adequate for jump starting a car. It does have an AC cable, so you can charge it up AC wise, and it's got a USB-C cable. That's it. And it's got some. It's got your paperwork, of course, too. So let's check it out. Let's turn it on, see how much power is in it right out of the box. And it says it's got 3 bars of power in it, and it doesn't have a spot for a 4th. So this is a battery charger too, isn't it? It is a battery charger. So you got both. You got a jump starter and a battery charger. And the reason I say that is I see these lights here. You got 0.075 amp, 1 amp, and 2 amp. So it's a 2 amp battery charger. And then you've got your typical 12 volt repair mode. You got 12 volt settings, AGM, lithium, and then a 6 volt. Not too many 6 volt batteries out there anymore. That second light sorta maybe comes on a little bit. This battery's pretty dead. It's not fully dead. I do think it would start the bike, but it won't start it very strong. So guys, make sure when you hook up your cables that you take a look at which side the wire comes in on, and you make sure that that side of the connector is connected, in fact, to to the terminal. So because if you look inside there, you can see the wire is attached here, but it's not attached here, and it doesn't connect through that clamp. There's nothing connecting it at all. So it's really just a one-sided clamp. All of these clamps are like that. Put this up here. Alright. It's got a countdown going on. There, it turned it on. Just make sure the bike turns on and starts. I'll hit the test button. It's showing a full charge now. Starts and runs. If you're wondering what that horrible rattling noise is, so that's going to be the subject of another video on this S1000RR. That rattle noise is something in the exhaust and will need to get fixed. So anyways, I'm gonna go on and test this. Actually, I think what I'll do is I'm gonna hook up the charge function here and I'm gonna charge this battery up, because why not? Let's flip it into charge mode. And I'm sure I should probably plug this thing in. I do have it just hooked up now as a charger, and it looks like it will charge the battery without being plugged in. Boy, you know, again, how do you go wrong? You know, maybe you buy this thing just for that amazing compass. A compass. It makes me laugh. Oh gosh, why? Why did they put a compass on there? Well, who the hell knows? Let's plug this thing in. So now I'm going to change this from 12 volt to the lithium. So that M that's on here, that is for the forced start mode. So if you've got a battery that's totally flat, like I was mentioning before, you just hold that button in for 5 seconds and it turns it on to forced start mode. In AC mode, there's 5 modes. You got repair, 12 volt AGM, lithium, and 6 volt. In DC mode, there's only 2 modes, jump start and 12 volt mode. That's it. So it is now on the charger and it is going to be charging. So guys, if you get a chance, click the link that's down below and it'll take you to the LokiThor JC400 link over on Amazon, and you can see what their current pricing is, see if they've got any coupons. There might be a coupon that's down in the description of this video. Do check that before you check out if you're going to purchase one of these, and check out some of their other products. Man, they have got some great stuff. I'm one of the best companies out there, I think, for jump starters is LokiThor. Just really pleased with their stuff. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to charge this thing up. I know it's going to work. It always does. It's LokiThor. Take care.